How's it going, everybody? I'm Abigail from Zappos.com, and I'm here to show off 4 wins from Double D Ranchwear by Old Gringo. These boots are so unique and fun. They're cowgirl style, and they're crafted with a leather upper that has this croco embossed pattern to it. They have these awesome silver metal studs with a diamond detailing for added flair. Inside, there's a full-length zipper closure for that easy on and off, and hidden stretch panel as well. Inside is soft leather lining for a comfortable next-to-skin feel, and a lightly cushioned leather footbed for underfoot comfort and support that last. You've got this nice snip toe silhouette for added flair, and on the bottom is a stacked leather heel for a nice boost in height, and it's all on top of a leather outsole with a rubber heel cap for added stability. Give your wardrobe some edge with these standout boots from Double D Ranchwear by Old Gringo.